Hello, and welcome to the first lesson on AP Statistics. My name is Tamara, and I will be leading you through the lessons. I have skeleton notes for this lesson linked in the comments section. Today's topic is what can we learn from data? So let's get started. Hello. We're going to be talking today about what we can learn from data. First, we're going to talk about what is a statistical question. Think about your favorite social media app. Ever wonder what time of day people post the most selfies? Or what kind of posts get the most likes? For example, you could ask the question, what's the most common time of day people post on Instagram? You may have an idea about the answer to this question, but to really answer this question, you'd need to collect data. The need for data to answer the question makes this a statistical question. Next, we're going to talk about variation in data. What is normal variation? And what is unusual variation? Weather varies. In spring, we see all sorts of variability. 1 minute it's sunny, and the next you're building an ark. A big part of what you'll learn in statistics is determining whether the data is consistent with normal variability or if we have strong statistical evidence that something unusual is happening. Nowadays, there's little opposition to the idea that the Earth is warming. Having a sunny day can be part of normal variation in temperatures, and for many years, there was debate about whether what we were seeing in the weather was just normal temperature variation or Mother Nature having a mood swing. I'm sure you've all flipped a coin or had your fate determined by a coin at some point. If a coin is fair, it's not going to matter whether you say heads or tails. That being said, it's also possible to get a streak of heads or tails, and that's totally normal part of variability.
Heads. Heads.
But how many heads in a row would make you question whether or not you had a fair coin? How many heads in a row would make it seem suspicious or abnormal?
Well, it's an even chance. 78 in a row.
How likely would it be to get 78 heads in a row? These are the types of questions, though, that you will be able to answer by the end of AP Statistics. So, buckle up. If you find this video helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and hit the subscribe and notification button below. Thanks for your support. Let's recap. We first talked about statistical questions. We learned that statistical questions are those that require data collection and then analysis to answer. It's kind of like trying to figure out why your friend always takes the longest route to class. You need some data. Then we talked about understanding variability. We discussed how normal variation follows predictable patterns within data. When we observe variation that is significantly different from what we expect, it suggests that factors beyond random fluctuations may be at play. So if it's snowing in July, you might want to check for penguins moving in next door. Context matters. Everything we talked about today was illustrated with examples emphasizing that context is crucial in solving statistics problems. And that's a wrap for today's introduction to statistics. Stay curious, keep questioning, and remember, in statistics, there's no such thing as too much data, just not enough curiosity.